everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Original. Before we go ahead and get into that, if you have not yet, go ahead and hit that like button down below if you like this video while you're watching. If you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and do that. I know about 60% of my viewers don't subscribe, so if you have not yet, why not? Go ahead and hit it. And if you have any comments while you're watching, leave them in the comment section down below. Also, one more thing before we go ahead and move on. I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is niminies.com. Link in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. All right, let's go ahead and get into the bag. So this is kind of like holographic. It's a silver holographic. I actually am not in love with this bag, but it's not terrible. It's not terrible. So, all right, there is a card in here. Does it have anything? It does not have anything on here, which is kind of disappointing. The theme this month is Ipsy Future You. So that's kind of neat, but they don't have the products on the cards anymore. They stopped doing that a couple of months ago, and personally, I'm pretty disappointed in it, but I'm sure some people are okay with it. I don't know. It's disappointing to me. So I do have my phone here with me. I'm going to be reading the items as I pull them out so that you guys know what's in here. First and foremost, it says about the bag. The future is bright, shiny, and new, just like this month's futuristic holographic finish. Look inside and see what kind of beauty tomorrow holds for you. So let's go ahead and get into the items. So I'm going to pull this out first. This was actually in the mailer and I kind of tucked it in the bag. But this is a brush. It's the Pigment Packer from MOTD. Is that the brand? Yeah, MOTD Cosmetics, and it is the Pigment Packer Small Shader Brush. So I do enjoy getting brushes. I actually prefer getting eye brushes over face brushes because I kind of have some face brushes that are like my favorites that I use all the time. And eye brushes, I will just pick out different ones and try them out. Now I do have favorites for my eye brushes, but I'm more likely to try out new eye brushes than face brushes just because I have the face brushes that I like. You know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. All right. So this is the MOTD Cosmetics Pigment Packer Small Shader Brush. It says, why you'll love it. The super versatile makeup brush multitasks almost, quote unquote, as well as you do. Use it with your favorite eyeshadow to pack on pigments, build up color, or blend everything out. The pro quality vegan bristles are perfectly shaped, allowing you to seamlessly apply shadow to your eyelids with ease. Whether you use cream, powder, or liquid shadow, this brush has got you covered. It's designed to work with any texture or formula. All right, there you go, a brush. I like that. I like it a lot. All right, let's go ahead and get into the next item. What is this? So this is the Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. Now this is just a wee little sample. That's okay. I don't know if I mentioned it. Ipsy Glam Bag Original is $12 a month. So most of the time they are just samples or like the big size samples. What are they called? Bonus samples? I forget. I don't know. It's not like I'm a beauty YouTuber on YouTube or something like that. I'm not. Okay. Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. Yeah. Why you'll love it. Finally, an acne treatment that's gentle on your skin and really works. This lightweight serum targets everything from removing blackheads to calming cystic acne, all without drying out your skin. Canuka oil, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but whatever, equals your BFF when it comes to clearing congested pores and eliminating acne-causing bacteria, two big causes of breakouts. A dose of nourishing moringa oil fortifies your skin's protective barrier with essential fatty acids and even has antimicrobial properties too, aka it helps prevent breakouts. Redness and inflammation? None here. This serum is infused with calming eucalyptus to help your skin chill out. All right, there you go. Next item coming right up. Let's see what else is in here. All right, so this is a little tiny sample from Glam Glow. It's the Glam Glow Bright Eyes. Okay, it's a little white cream. I'm assuming this is an eye serum. Let's see what it says. Yeah, it says it's a illuminating anti-fatigue eye cream. There it is. It's just a little pot. So this is the Glam Glow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. Why you'll love it. This eye cream is a mainstay on our most loved list. Like a shot of espresso for your under eyes, this anti-fatigue powerhouse is the fastest way to wake up your complexion. Dark circles, NBD. A combo of ultrafine illuminating pigments and energizing caffeine help to minimize shadows on contact. Get hydrated with a hit of hyaluronic acid. The humectant draws moisture to your eye area for a dewy, plumping effect. Your delicate eye skin is prone to early signs of aging. Luckily, this cream is infused with collagen-boosting peptides to help smooth crow's feet and find lines. There you go. All right, next item coming up right now is this item right here. This is from IBY Beauty. It is the Super Bloom Lush eyeshadow in the shade In Bloom. It's cute. It's a little, it looks flowery. I think I'm going to go ahead and give this away to one of you guys. So I'm going to open it to show it to you, but I'm not going to swatch it. So it is an individual eyeshadow. And, ooh, it's pretty. It is a shimmery pink shade. That is pretty. It is right up my alley. It's definitely something that I would wear. But like I said, I'm going to put this in an upcoming giveaway so one of you guys can have it. I just don't honestly use a lot of single shadows. If I didn't have a YouTube channel, I probably would. I just do like one shade instead of like 3 or 4, because you don't really need this many eyeshadows. Let's be honest. I know I don't need as many eyeshadows as I have. So, all right, this is IBY Beauty eyeshadow In Bloom. This is a shade. Why you love it. This good for your skin eyeshadow is the perfect way to show your lids some love. The velvety formula is infused with rosehip seed oil to help nourish and protect the delicate skin on your lids. It won't crease on you, so your eye look will stay beautiful all day long. This shadow is vegan and free of potentially harmful ingredients like talc, mineral oil, and parabens. Bloom is a shimmery peach shade that's becoming a staple in our makeup kits for romantic eye looks or updating our smoky eye. So it says peach. I think it's kind of pinky. They're not that far off. All right, there's one more item in here. Let's go ahead and pull it out. This I'm actually kind of excited about. This is from Ipsy by Petra. It's the Endless Silky Eye Pen in Jeweled Pewter. So I love eyeliners. I have a whole box of eyeliners. Oh my golly, I have so many eyeliners that I never really use, but I am so enamored with them. Yeah, so this hybrid eyeliner gives you the best of both worlds, the intensity of a liquid liner with the ease of a pencil. Forget your basic black. This silky cream pencil glides on in a single sweep and leaves behind concentrated gray-black color that's both flattering and unexpected. Once it's on, it's on. The ultra longwear formula is 100% waterproof, smudge-proof, and budge-proof. See and never touch-ups. You'll never have a dull moment with this baby. This baby sharpens up to a point with ease. There you go. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and review everything I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag original. I got the Ipsy by Petra eyeliner, the brush, the single shadow, the skin serum, and the eye cream. Honestly, the shadow's gonna come to you guys. I think I'm gonna put the skin serum in my giveaway drawer as well, but I'm gonna love these 3 items. I'm going to love them. I'm going to love them a lot. So that is everything from my Ipsy Glam Bag Original for August 2020. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, a thumbs up is always appreciated. If you have not yet and you would like to be, go ahead and hit subscribe. I do a lot of unboxings as well as other different content on my channel. And if you have any comments, leave those down below as well. What do you think of the products that I got this month? What did you get in your Ipsy bag? If you get an Ipsy bag, let me know in the comment section down below as well. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.